For decades, we've been keeping homes across southeast Idaho comfortable in every season. From the scorching summers to those bone-chilling winters, Idaho is our home. Our team of highly trained and certified professionals know HVAC inside and out. Whether it's installing a new energy-efficient system, performing a routine maintenance, or troubleshooting an unexpected issue, we bring expertise and attention to detail to every job. At First Call Jewel, your safety and satisfaction are our top priorities. We use top quality parts and follow the highest industry standards to make sure your system runs smoothly, safely, and efficiently. And we stand behind our work 100%. If something isn't quite right or fails after we've been in your home, we'll come back, fix it, and make it right with you. That is our promise, reliable service you can count on. Give us a call or visit our website to schedule your service. We're here for you, Idaho, because your home deserves the best.